guys, how are you? It's Paring Owing again, and I have a quick unboxing video for you. It's not related to any watches that I own or any new watch that arrived. I'm waiting for some. But for now, let's unbox something. Alright? Right, this is our main event actually, the unboxing of my new keyboard. It's a Logitech G915. It's a mechanical wireless keyboard from Logitech, and probably this is the slimmest profile wireless gaming keyboard you can buy, so it's pretty cool. So this one is a Clicky version. So it has a Lightsync and saying lightspeed, meaning it's as fast as the wired keyboard. And some promo. Okay, so let's unbox this baby, shall we? Oh, there you go. Oh, wow, look at that. So smooth, and the sound is like a clinching of coins. Yeah, let's see. So I really like the sound. It's really tactile and very clicky. So it's like you're actually playing with coins. And the keys, they are really solid. So I like this macro keys here. I'm not actually a avid gamer, like a computer gamer, but I just like gaming keyboard because I'm really a huge fan of what we call this, a mechanical keyboard. Because when I was studying computer science 20 years ago, shows my age, guys. So I'm really used to the IBM keyboards. They are mechanical keyboard. Unlike the keyboards now, they are mostly membrane keyboard, which made of silicon. This one is using the traditional mechanical switches, and they're really nice to type. I really like typing on this kind of keyboard, so I just bought this keyboard. And I also play some games occasionally, just for fun, just to relax after hard work. And the beauty of this is actually wireless, so it has a battery, so I just recharge it. So it's will pair well with my Logitech wireless mouse as well. So I'm really fan of wireless things, so that I can move around with my keyboard. Yeah, so I'm a huge fan of mechanical keyboards. Like I said, I use this when I'm studying. I really enjoy typing on mechanical keyboard. So this one is Clicky keys. So if you buy G915, it comes with 3 types of switches. So they have the clicky, this one's clicky, and they have tactile, and they have, forget the other one, but it's I think the balance one. But this one, I really like this. It's really soft, very clicky, and it's actually not too loud. So unlike the other keyboard I have, it's really loud. So this one's perfect. I like this keyboard. So let's see what's in the back. So there's nothing here. There's just some stand if you want to incline it. And it comes with charging keys, charging cable. So the beauty of this is it's already a USB Type C, I think. Yes, so it has an on-off switch. No, it's just ordinary micro USB. And it comes with this braided cable, and it also comes with, I think it's Bluetooth dongle. So connects to your CPU or your desktop via Bluetooth. And it also comes with probably some manuals, whatever it is. Okay, so let's see what's inside. It comes with a Logitech sticker and some instructions, and that's it. It's another more. What's this? So probably another catalog. Yeah, so that's what's inside the box. So the keyboard, some stickers, one sticker, paperwork, comes with a Bluetooth dongle, the USB cable, and that's about it, guys. So this is the keyboard I'm replacing. It's a Corsair K90. It's the first generation of Corsair mechanical keyboard. I think this one is around maybe 7 years old, something. And it's served me well. It's really nice. For sound, it's solid, but I really don't like the feel of this. That one's much better. The new one, the new Logitech keyboard. This one is really good. It's not as smooth as the Logitech keyboard. This one is a little bit stiffer. That's really cool. So it has a lot of function keys, though I never use any of these macro keys. It's got some, I think it's our macro keys as well, and some brightness. So you can adjust the brightness. Only one blue color. Unlike the Logitech, it comes with thousands combination of LED, RGB lighting. So this one is a window lock. So you wanna lock this window button if you're playing games, so you can disable that using this key. And also has a volume control and some mute. And this one is skip, forward, pause, play, something. It's a numerical key. And what I like here is the palm rest. So the other one, the new keyboard doesn't have this. So I'll miss this. I'll still use this as backup, or gonna use it on my another computer, because I still got another setup on the back, because I actually brought my work computer, so it has a docking station, so I'm gonna use this keyboard there. And this is my Logitech mouse. It's a pretty nice mouse, guys. It's an MX Master 2S. I probably have this for 4 years now, so it's still really cool. So I really like this, and that's about it. So this is my old keyboard that I'm gonna replace with my new Logitech G915. So I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna miss this one, although I'm still gonna use this on my workstation, but this one's my personal thing, so I'm gonna use my new keyboard here. Okay, so let's try this. Let's plug this thing here. That's the USB dongle. Let's turn on this for the first time, guys. Oh, look at that. It's amazing. It's beautiful. So it's automatically just work out of the box. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so I can randomly change the color. I turn it off, on. Get the color, guys. This probably comes with the software that you can actually customize the color. So for pressing this button, actually change the light. It's actually moving like that. It's beautiful, guys. So let's try again the sound and compare it with the old keyboard there. So more like a clinging of coins, like something more like a tin sound coins. And this one is more fuller. I think this one is Cherry MX Brown case. So this one actually works. Let's see. So it's wireless. Very nice, very cool. I like it. Look at the color, guys. Look at the lights. It's beautiful. Okay, so they're saying here that the battery is located here, so you can actually remove the cover and you can actually see the battery, just in case you need to replace it soon or in the future, or recycle it. And it comes with the code, so that you can pair your the keyboard with any other devices like the your laptop, tablet, and your smartphone, should you wish to use the keyboard on these devices. But for now, just pretty much plug and play. As soon as I plug the dongle, it just works out of the box. You can also use this as cable, so you can still use this as a regular keyboard with cable, wired keyboard, and at the same time it charges the battery. So it's dual purpose. And once the battery is fully charged, you can just remove the cable and operate wirelessly. Yeah, so it's a really cool keyboard. Very slim. So it's very slim. It's my finger here. And I'm using the stand. It's very slim profile. It's really thin. I like it. I like it. Oh, the logo is even changing light, guys. It's very nice. Alright, guys. So thank you for watching and joining me and unbox this thing. And hope to see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Bye.